What should I do if I do not have the other driver's insurance information yet? Do not wait to protect your claim. Start by requesting the crash report from the law enforcement agency that handled the collision. In North Carolina, reportable crash reports may include insurance or financial responsibility information when it is available. The report may take time and it may be incomplete at first, so save every version and every message you receive. Next, preserve anything that identifies the other driver or vehicle: the driver's name, phone number, license plate, vehicle description, photos, witness information, and the officer's report number. You should also notify your own auto insurer promptly. That does not mean your insurer must pay everything, but your policy may include collision coverage, rental coverage, medical payments coverage, uninsured motorist coverage, or underinsured motorist coverage. Keep a clear record of medical care, bills, work restrictions, missed wages, prescriptions, rental car costs, towing, repairs, and storage fees. If the other driver's insurance company later says there was no coverage, ask for that in writing. Most importantly, remember that waiting for insurance information, talking to adjusters, or waiting for a report does not automatically extend legal deadlines. Many injury and property damage claims in North Carolina have a 3-year deadline, but deadlines can vary. If time is passing or fault is being disputed, get legal guidance before relying on informal insurance conversations.